Hi friends, welcome to English Study Point. Today in this video lecture I am going to discuss important previous year question from a work Yajna Seni by Pratibha Ray. Here is the question: what are the various life roles played by Draupadi in Yajna Seni? In Yajna Seni, a novel by Pratibha Ray, Draupadi is portrayed as a multifaceted character who embodies various life roles throughout her journey. In this sentence, we see that Yajna Seni, written by Pratibha Ray, here Draupadi is presented as a complex character, meaning she has many different aspects or sides to her personality. And throughout the story, she takes on different roles, showing her versatility and adaptability in various situations. She experiences pride and responsibility as the princess of Panchala. Her father, King Drupada, wishes to avenge his humiliation by Drona. So, Draupadi's initial role is that of a princess, which brings her a sense of pride due to her noble status. Being a princess also comes with responsibilities such as maintaining the honor of her family and kingdom. And here we see Draupadi's father, whose name is King Drupada, has a conflict with Drona, who is a great warrior and teacher. He feels humiliated because Drona was once a friend but later defeated him due to a rivalry. And this desire for revenge sets the stage for Draupadi's significance and destiny. She bravely saves her husband Arjuna from difficult situations. It symbolizes hope and resilience during trials. Here we see that Draupadi shows courage and strength in relation to her husband Arjuna, who is one of the Pandavas, and instead of being a passive partner, she actively interferes during challenging times, displaying her loyalty and bravery towards Arjuna. And Draupadi also represents a theme of hope and resilience, which means she embodies the ability to recover from difficulties. Her character inspires others to endure their own struggles as she faces many challenges herself while maintaining strength. In this point, we see she shares a unique bond with all five Pandavas. She manages the complexities of her polyandrous marriage with grace. Here we see that Draupadi is in a polyandrous marriage, meaning she is married to more than one husband. And in reality, she is married to five Pandavas. She handles the challenges and intricacies, means complexities of the situation, with poise and elegance. And we see she plays a significant role in ruling Indraprastha, which demonstrates her political acumen and leadership skills. So Draupadi is involved in ruling the kingdom of Indraprastha. Her role shows that she is politically wise and possesses strong leadership skills or abilities. She acts as a strategist during the Kurukshetra war. Her insights influence many decisions made by the Pandavas. So during the pivotal Kurukshetra war, Draupadi takes on the role of a strategist, and she uses her intelligence to plan and make important decisions. Draupadi's thoughts and ideas have a significant impact on the choices the Pandavas make during the war, and this indicates her importance and authority within the group. She offers emotional support and friendship to her husbands and builds strong networks with allies like Krishna. So Draupadi provides emotional support to her husbands, showing her caring nature. She also develops friendship with key allies such as Krishna, which enhances their connections during challenging times. Now here we see she acts as a nurturing figure for her sons, the Pandavas, children, and instills values of honor and bravery in them. This means Draupadi takes care of her sons and plays a motherly role, and she teaches them important values like honor and courage. She faces immense humiliation during the dice game, which serves as a symbol of the plight of women in patriarchal society. So here, Draupadi experiences great shame during the dice game incident, and this moment represents the struggles and injustices women face in a male-dominated society. She demonstrates her inner strength and resolve during the strategic warfare. Though not a battlefield fighter, her influence guides warriors. So during the war, Draupadi shows her strong character and determination. Although she doesn't fight physically, her influence helps shape the strategies used, and Draupadi does not engage in combat but still provides guidance to the warriors, and her perspective and advice are valuable in making decisions in battle. She stands up against injustice and discrimination and advocates for her dignity and rights during moments of crisis. So Draupadi confronts unfair treatment and discrimination head on. She fights for her respect and rights, especially during difficult times. She engages in deep philosophical conversation with Krishna and contemplates the moral dilemmas of dharma and duty. So Draupadi has meaningful discussions with Krishna, who is considered to be as a wise character in this work, and she reflects on complex issues of duty and morality, seeking understanding of her responsibilities. Now, here at last we see she exemplifies resilience and non-violent resistance in the face of oppression and refuses to succumb to humiliation, famously asking for justice. Draupadi shows strength and steadfastness against unfair treatment. Instead of responding with violence, she stands firm and demands justice for herself. She becomes a representation of femininity and strength in Indian culture, and her story inspires countless interpretations in literature and art. So, Draupadi symbolizes the ideals of womanhood and inner strength in Indian society. Her narrative has influenced many writers and artists, inspiring diverse portrayals. She acts as a bridge between the Pandavas and Kauravas and attempts to reconcile differences and promote peace, albeit unsuccessfully. This means Draupadi tries to connect the two rival families, the Pandavas and Kauravas. Her goal is to resolve conflicts and encourage harmony, but she isn't able to succeed. She represents the struggles and aspirations of women across generations. Her story influences not only her immediate context but also future narratives. So Draupadi's story reflects the challenges and dreams of women not just in her time but throughout story, or throughout not only the story but also history, throughout history. She serves as a symbol of female resilience and hope. The impact of Draupadi's tale extends beyond her own time, shaping future stories and cultural discussions. Her experiences continue to resonate and inspire new generation in this way. And at last I must say that Draupadi embodies resilience and justice, which serves as a symbol of strength for women. She strives for peace, and her legacy influences countless narratives throughout history. Then with this video lecture ends here. Hope this video lecture will help you in your exams. Thank you.